How to connect Shopify to Dsers. Hello guys and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your Shopify to Dsers. So let's get into the video. So Dsers is an app that allows you to access AliExpress onto Shopify and directly move your products from AliExpress into your own shop inventory. So what you need to do is, first of all, you need to open the App Store of Shopify. To open the App Store, you need to click on this option right here on the sidebar menu of Shopify which says apps. Open that up and open the apps and sales channel. When you open the apps and sales channel, you're going to see an option which says Shopify App Store, and then you need to access this option. You need to open this option. So when you open the Shopify App Store, it looks something like this. Okay, so when you open the Shopify App Store, in here on the search bar, you're going to search for Dsers, Dsers, and here you can see that Dsers AliExpress dropshipping is available. Directly open the app. You don't have to search for it, or you search for it and then you open the app. It's almost the same thing. So when you open Dsers, here you can see that it has a free plan available. 14-day free trial. Additional charges may apply. Rating is 5.0, which is very good. AliExpress dropshipping solution to place orders, find suppliers and import products. You can optimize your supplier, find cheaper and better suppliers selling the same products, and etc. The pricing, as you can see, there's a free plan available. The advanced one is for $19 per month and the pro one is for $49 per month. And then you can see the reviews and testimonials of the people who are using Dsers. So when you open that up, you need to click on this option. It says open app, but for you it might say like install app or get app or something like that. Just click on that. When you open the app up, you're going to find, when you click on that, then you're going to access Shopify, and in there you're going to find an option to install the app, and after that you'll be able to reach this stage where you can open Dsers on your Shopify. So now here you can see that I have Dsers automation opened and it is loading right now. So I'm just going to wait until it loads. Okay, so now what you need to do is you need to create an account or register yourself, up to you if you already have one or not, and then you're going to open your app store and you are good to go. Then you can just go on, move your products directly into your inventory from Dsers, from AliExpress to Shopify. So this was it for today's video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. Please give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to Softwares Made Easy. Thank you.